Okay, hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how I replaced the wheels on this pool vacuum. It's like at least 7 years old, maybe almost 10 years old. It's actually Poolvergnuegen type of a vacuum, and so as you can tell, the wheels are worn out. That's what they're supposed to look like. So I wanted to share with you how I replaced them. It's very simple. It's a very easy project. Obviously you can take it to the shop and they'll do it for you, but this is something that you can do yourself. I'm thinking every 4 or 5 years you get to replace the tires. And having a device like this saves you a lot of money as far as having to pay a pool guy to clean the pool for you. You can still hire a pool guy. You should still hire a pool guy, but this actually makes it easier for him. And if you're doing it yourself, this makes it easy for you to clean the pool. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.